Good morning students. Welcome to online class eSuvidya. Dear students, look at the blackboard. These sentences are written in your prose lesson, The Priceless Gift. It is being repeated at the moment. Look at the sentence. This sentence is in present progressive form. It has been kept very neatly in that envelope. Maggie's face was filled with gratitude. Some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into the corner. All kind of things will be sold. तो ये वाक्य गुड़िक तुम बही रे अच्छी प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रे. तो दिस सेंटेंस आर इन रिटन इन पैसिव फॉर्म. So today we will know how to change active voice to passive voice. Tell me, what are you doing now? एबे कौन करुच? Yes, Rama said, I am writing English. Then Hari said, English is being written by me. So tell me, who is correct? Rama, Hari or both? Yes, both. Means both the sentence are correct. But the structure are different. The first sentence are written in active form or active voice. Then the second one is in written form, passive form or passive voice. Here the I change into me. In active voice some of the pronoun, how to change the pronoun we will know. In active voice if the pronoun is I, then it will change me. If the pronoun we, then us. You change into also you. He change into him. Then she change into her. They change into them. तो एगुड़िक टिके नजर देउथिबो केमिति भाबरे प्रोनाउन गुड़िक आमर पैसिव रे चेंज हो जाउची. Then we will look some example. How to change in tense form. In simple present is, am, are plus V3 or PP, past participle form of verb. V3 means verb past participle form. V1 present form, V2 past form, V3 past participle form. Then in present progressive is, am, are plus being plus PP form, past participle form of var. Then present perfect. Have or has plus been plus past participle form of var. Then simple past. Was, were plus V3 or past participle form of verb, PP form. Then past progressive. Was, were plus being plus PP form or past participle form of the verb. Then past perfect. Have, had plus been plus V3 or past participle form of a verb. Then in case of modal, then modal plus be plus verb past participle form. So पिले मने आकु टिके भला भाबे देखो कौन चेंज होईची ना इन पैसिव फॉर्म the verb always in V3 form or past participle form. And another one is in case of past perfect been is used and present perfect been is used. These are common. Then past progressive, here being is used and here being is used. You remember it. एइटिका आमे जदि मन रखिबा ताहले आमे टिके सहज रे एक्टिव रो पैसिव कन्वर्ट करि परिबा. तो पिला माने आ गोटे ट्रिक अछि ये हाउ टू चेंज अ एक्टिव वॉइस टू पैसिव वॉइस. शॉर्टकट स्टेप्स. The steps are like this. First one is convert. Convert काको convert करिवो ना subject. First one is identify. Sorry. Identify. Identify subject, verb, object. Second one is swap. Swap means exchange subject to object or object to subject. Then third one convert your MV. MV means main verb. Main verb to V3 means past participle form or PP form. Then fourth one add helping verb. Then fifth add by preposition before the subject. Before subject. So let us discuss. Let us take an example. I eat rice. The first step, identify subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. This one is the first step. Second step, swap subject to object. Then here rice. Here I change into आमे पूर्वरु जानिचे I, the pronoun I change into me. Then third, convert MV to V3 or past participle form V, verb, eat. Then It change into eaten. Fourth, add helping verb. Helping verb here in simple present. In simple present, the helping verb is amar. Then rice is. Eaten me. Then fifth, add by preposition. Then rice is eaten by me. Now this one is the passive form of this. I eat rice. This one is the active form and rice is eaten by me. In this way you have to change. In the this one is the simple present, like that progressive. I am eating rice. Rice is being eaten by me. I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by me. Like that in a present simple form. Then another an example of simple past. He played football. He played football. Then in these 5 steps, identify subject, verb, object, then swap football, sub object to subject, him, he change into him. Then third one, convert. Already the played is in past form and you change into the PP form also. Played, played. Then football played. Then fourth one, add helping verb. In simple past the helping verb was and were. Then football was. Then add by preposition. Football was played by him. Okay. Then another one is modal. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. The first one, identify subject, verb, object. Second one, swap subject to verb, subject to object to subject and subject to object. English. Then third one, convert MV through V3 or speak is the main verb. Speak change into past participle form. Spoken, speak, spoke, spoken. Then spoken. Fourth one, adding helping verb. Here this one is the modal and you can modal plus be can be. Then add by preposition by me. So okay, English can be spoken by me. So in this way you change your active voice to passive voice. Thank you.